Welcome back to Board Time Garage. Not a whole lot to update, but I got a box of goodies that I ordered. And I guess we'll just open it up and see what's happening. Packing. Ooh. Well, that was kind of uneventful. Anyway, battery box. See what we get. There's a lid. More packing. Cable. Threaded rod. An event hose. Bag of hardware. Battery hold down. Ground cable. Sticker. We like stickers. Pamphlet. Multiple piece deal. There. It's got instructions. Huh. Yes, it does. Even has instructions. Well, there, that's what I need, pictures. Perfect. So, this was an important step. So we get a battery in the back of the car here and then start trying to start the car. So now that I have this, I have a good idea how big of a plate to put down. My key in here. That's where the battery's going. So yeah, my shitty flux core welding job. Anyway, is what it is. I can make it pretty if I want to. So the battery's gonna go back here on a 1/8 inch plate that I'm cutting out of that chunk of steel sitting right over there. So now that I have the battery box, we can go forward with that. And in the meantime, this was rusted, that was rusted, this was rusted. I just filled it using a little pill. And in this corner here, I think that needs to be reinforced and patched a little bit because it's kind of rusted right out. So we'll probably do something with that. Doesn't have to be pretty. This is kind of like, I put a tab underneath this piece and then I welded the tab to that piece, and now I gotta weld this piece to the tab. So anyways, it's just to make a patch, to seal it up, connect it all. In here, you can see there, you can see daylight. A couple places are thin, so I'm gonna have to do a couple little zapparoos like I did here. Fill them in. And then, yeah, I'll probably grind some of these a little bit more flush to mount the plate, and then just leave it. All these welds, I don't really care how they look. It's just a race car. I'm just going to clean it up and paint it. Here, I think it needs more. They were just tacked in by somebody else. I didn't do that. So, just continuing on where someone started, building a dragster. Tribute car for my brother, and I guess a tribute car for the fellow who started this project too. There you go, right? That's what it is. It's a tribute car. Just to go fast and have fun on a low budget. So we're not, you know, I'm not going to do a full restoration and make a pro street out of it. So it's just going to be what it is. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Board Time Garage.